Hello and welcome back, my loves. If I'm looking a little bit odd today, it's because this video is showing you how I used to do my makeup then versus now. So that's why I only have one eyebrow done and one not, because I did not do my eyebrows back in the day. So before we begin, in case you look behind me and you see that little bear right there and that little bear right there, these bears, let me reach over, were just bought to me today. They were made by Vitas, which is a hospice care that my mom was in last year before she passed away. So if any of you know me personally, more closer, not in person, but personally, you know that I lost my parents. I lost my dad. It's gonna be 10 years in August, and my mom, it'll be a year this July. So this is one of the shirts that she used to wear a lot, and they did such a good job. Look underneath and in the back, that's how it was. These two little outfits. And then over here, this one was a shirt that my dad wore, and this was a shirt that my mom used to wear. It was real cute. And I wanted my bear to incorporate both of my parents because I loved them both. So I figured what better way to have it. It took them 7 months to do it, but it was because the first clothes I sent they couldn't work with. And it was a sweater, a green sweater that my mom, like a throw one that she would always wear. So I had to send in new clothes to make this one. So that's why they took a little longer. And this is for my brother, my older brother. So those are my two friends that are going to be with us today. Of course, they dropped it off this morning. Of course, you know, I had a tough time setting this up, and here I am again, having a tough time setting it up. Give me 1 second. There we go. Got it. So they got dropped off this morning, and of course I bawled and cried, so I couldn't do the video till a little bit later on, and here I am. So this is the hairdo that I used to wear back in the day. I used to pull this up front a little bit and do like a little high ponytail like that in my hair. But the only thing was that I used to wear my hair very curly. I been wearing my hair like this, and I add curls to it, and I don't know what's going on. But now the curls do not hold on. Go figure. Before I couldn't keep my hair straight and it would like puff up and be disgusting. Now it just wants to stay. It's like as I got older, my hair got better. I don't know. But this was the do. The only thing was, like I said, I had very curly hair, and you're going to see how minimum I used to do my makeup on this side compared to how I do my makeup now. So let's go ahead and get started so we don't make it too long. I'm not going to talk through it, so that way we could be a little quicker. I'll just show you clips and then talk to you guys at the end because I'm already 3 minutes in. How do I do this? This time it's because these two important things took my focus. So, here we go.
People kill, people die, and children hurt, and you hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach, or would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us, and some guidance from above. These people got me questioning, where is the love? Can you practice what you preach? Father, 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 help us. People got me questioning, where is the love? People kill, people die, and children hurt, you hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach? Would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us, and some guidance from above. People got me questioning, where is the love? What's wrong with the world, mama? People living like they ain't got no mama. I think the whole world addicted to the drama, only attracted to think that will bring you drama. The love, where is the love, the love, the love, the love? People kill, people die, and children hurt, and you hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach, or would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us, and some guidance from above. 'Cause people got me questioning, where is the love? The love, the love, where is the love, the love, the love, the love, the love, where is the love, the love, the love? People kill, people die, and children hurt, and you hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach? Would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us, and some guidance from above. People got me questioning, where is the love? What's wrong with the world, mama? People living like they ain't got no mama. I think the whole world addicted to the drama, only attracted to think that will bring you drama. The love, where is the love, the love, the love, the love, the love, where is the love, the love, the love? People kill, people die, and children hurt, and you hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach? Would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us, and some guidance from above. People got me questioning, where is the love?
People kill, people dying. Can you practice what you preach? Father, 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 help us. People got me questioning, where is the love?
People kill, people die, and children hurt, and you hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach? Would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us, and some guidance from above. People got me questioning, where is the love?
Okay, so I'm gonna put setting spray on one side of my face, okay? And it's so crazy. I keep looking at myself and I just want to do this. Not even the eyeshadow. That doesn't look too bad. Just want to do that eyebrow. Just like, what's wrong with you? Okay. This is from Gerard Cosmetics. Well, I can open this side. And this is so good. Oh my god, I love this. I've been using it, as you can tell. It just sets my face perfectly, and it smells so good. Where can I put this? I have such a mess on here. Okay. All right. So let's go to lipstick. So obviously, I do lip liner now, even though back then I did sometimes, but it was a rare occasion. So usually it's like a nude or nude pink. So this is from Gerard Cosmetics. This is Between the Sheets. Look how gorgeous that is. It's like a peachy nude. It's brand new. This is my first time using it. Oh my goodness, yes, I love that. Okay. Mixing this is gonna be fun. Thank God for the little tip, because it certainly helped. And then my favorite two colors back in the day was either red or brown. I actually don't have brown, believe it or not. After all that collection of lipsticks, I had a lot of browns, but I actually threw them away. So I'm going to use this one by MAC. This is a little flat. Normally I used to use regular lipstick, but all I seem to have is MAC. Matte, not MAC. Okay, I'm not gonna waste my time trying to fix that up. What do you guys think? Do I look like a fool? Because I certainly feel like a fool. I feel very foolish. But this is my now versus my then. It's that bad. My complexion was never horrible, so even if I put a little bit of powder, it certainly helped a lot. But it's just the eyebrows that really throw me off. That and the fact that now I have the weirdest two-tone color going on here. But this was my then and my now. And I must say, like, even though now I feel very bougie, very high maintenance, I like it a whole lot better than my then. I do my then once in a while whenever I'm, you know, like not in the mood to do so many things. I go ahead and do that. Right now in my head, I have like 100 things going on. Like, did I remember this step, that step, all these steps, step? But I think I did. I put in my waterline this COVERGIRL from the Full Spectrum. This is electric green. It's very pretty. I could see it popping out, which is nice. I can't get over it. So what do you guys think? You like my then and my now? You know, I feel like Two-Face. You ever seen? Oh, gosh, I think he's from Batman. I'm not sure. Don't quote me. My daughter would kill me right now. But I feel like him, like Two-Face. So which side you guys like better? Let me know down below. Go ahead and put a comment. Tell me if you like my then or my now. Or I should walk around like this. So anyway, if you guys like the video, please don't forget to hit like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the little notification bell so that way you're notified when I upload next. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be trying to do a little bit of everything, you know, step it up a notch, you know, try to give you something different and nicer. But I saw, you know, James Charles do this, and I thought, yeah, this is pretty neat. Let me do it. I did it for like Instagram, you know, the glow up 10 years ago compared to now. And mind you, this right here just really started to happen about almost 3 years ago. So this was me, and even then some people looked at me like I was too much. Okay. All right, you all take care, and I'm trying to always leave a positive note. On IG, I usually always, you know, put a positive quote, because I think in this world that we live in, you know, it's got the good and the bad, and sometimes we are so overwhelmed by the bad that we overlook the good. So try to always find something positive in anything negative, because trust me, it is there. We just have to look for it. So you all take care, and have a great rest of your day, week, weekend, like I always say. Take care.